Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove cookies on Vivo phone browser. If you're using Vivo phone browser and now you want to remove cookies on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your browser here. Here's that. Just tap on it, and after that your browser will be opened. You must have to select the three dots in the top right corner. Just select, then select settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for clear history, tap on it, and after that a pop-up menu of this type will appear. You must have to select which you want to delete, as I'm going to select cookies and then deselect the others. After that just tap on OK and your cookies will be cleared or removed from your browser. So that's how you can easily remove cookies on your Vivo browser. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.